Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and as you can tell from the title of the video, here's an update. So, real quick video today, and I want to apologize. We're going to need to pause the unit testing videos because I have made at least a couple mistakes for the videos for the course. So hopefully by the end of the week I'll have an update on that. But where I am is I'm needing to review a lot of these videos, almost all of them, and they've had some sort of background noise or something at the end that I didn't edit out. So the quality of the videos that I have right now are pretty bad, and especially since these are paid courses, I really want them to be exceptional. So it's going to be taking a lot of my time and focus. So I wanted to just give you guys that update. And just say that at least the rest of this week, I foresee that there not being any videos, and hopefully by Friday I will have an update and be able to show you that the course is all complete, and you'll be able to jump over to CodeDam and be able to review it, check it out, give me some feedback, let me know what you're thinking. But yes, I want to apologize for the delay because I know we're right in the middle of this unit testing series, but I'm already behind on the schedule, probably by about 2 or 3 weeks. So I really need to focus on this. So I appreciate your understanding and your support. And as always appreciate the views and the comments. And also just want to highlight the Discord server have been having a lot of great conversations over here. So make sure you're jumping over here down below in the link and just checking it out, because there's usually people always online, and the community is growing larger and larger. So it may not even be me who's going to be answering the question. You'll be getting it from somebody who's probably just solved a problem like that. But so just give you a heads up on that. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for all your support. I cannot say thank you enough. We're blown through 8,000 subscribers and on the way to 9,000, and just super excited with where we're going. But as always, guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video, and if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.